aluminum powder are weighed and then poured into pouring mixer for mixing. Finally poured into mold box. Batching and pouring system is controlled by PLC automatic control system. According to raw material chemical test, form accurate formula. After completing batching process, it comes into standstill for pre-curing process. Mixed slurry in mold box will expand because of the hydrogen produced by chemical reaction of lime, aluminum, and water. After foaming, thickening, and solidifying, it becomes block cake. Block cake completes the hardening process to achieve the cutting requirements at certain temperature. Mold box is transported to cutting area by reversal crane. Crane will reverse mold box 90 degrees and put it on the cutting cart. The crane manipulator opens the mold box and demolds automatically. Then put the block with the side pallet on the first cutting cart. The block will do fixed point cutting. First, the first cutting cart with block cake will move to level cutting machine. The level cutting is finished by cutting blade and cutting wire tensioned by air cylinder. Vertical cutting frame lands from up to bottom vertically. Cutting wire makes saw-like movement and completes vertical cutting. Cart replacement equipment starts. The cart under cutting machine replace oil cylinder. Jack the cut block. The first cutting cart returns to starting position and carries new block cake. The second cutting cart will replace the position of the first cart and carry block to